In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Twilio Auth ID, also known as your account SCD. Understanding how to locate this information is critical for authenticating API calls or integrating Twilio into your projects. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step to ensure you can navigate this smoothly. First, you'll want to log into your Twilio account. Begin by heading over to the Twilio Console on your preferred web browser. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in. You have the option to use your email address, your Google account, or even your GitHub account. Choose the option that suits you best, input your credentials, and access your account. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Twilio Console dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface because it contains all the tools and information you need to manage your Twilio services. At the very top of this dashboard, you'll notice your account SID. This is your Twilio Auth ID. It's usually a string of characters prefixed with AC, followed by a series of letters and numbers. This SID is crucial, as it essentially acts as your identifier in the Twilio ecosystem. Next, let's locate your auth token. Simply look just below your account SCD on the same page. The auth token serves as a secret key required to authenticate your API requests. At first glance, it might appear hidden for security reasons. Don't worry if you can't see it immediately. Twilio has a small eye icon right next to the token. By clicking this eye icon, you can reveal your auth token. Make sure to exercise caution as this token is sensitive information and can be used to access your Twilio account. Never share it publicly. Once you've located your account SID, you'll need to copy it. You can simply highlight the text with your cursor and then use your keyboard's copy function. This SID is what you'll use in any API call or integration with Twilio. Remember, in Twilio's documentation, you'll often see the terms Auth ID and Account SID used interchangeably, so don't let that confuse you. Lastly, a quick reminder. Treat your account SID and auth token like a set of keys. These two components always work hand in hand when authenticating API calls. It's vital to keep them private and secure to maintain the integrity of your Twilio account. Never expose these details in public forums or unsecured environments to prevent unauthorized access. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to find your Twilio Auth ID and are ready to utilize it in your various projects confidently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep those credentials safe.